everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have an unboxing video for you today. It is very exciting when we have those orange boxes to unbox. But this is more of a reveal. To be honest with you, I already opened these items. I wanted to check them out. But the packaging and the presentation was so beautiful, I thought I would share it with you. So this is the box that I received. It is, as you can see, a plain white box. I bought these items from Hermes.com. I don't live anywhere near one of their stores, so this is the best option for me. And I think I got it in 3 days. So like I bought it on the 5th, I got it on the 8th, and I was really happy with the shipping. It was very fast. And then really pleased with the presentation because the box is neutral. There's nothing on it to give away that it is a luxury item. So the box actually, it's a little bit of a challenge to get into, I have to admit. I couldn't really find the seams to cut it. And so anyway, it opens up like this, and then you can see it says Bienvenue. And Hermes, a little bit, I think that must be their flagship store in Paris probably. And this is the way everything is presented inside the box. So this is basically your packaging material, which is really weird. I never saw anything quite like this. It's actually hollow. So well done to them for using fewer materials. And then inside, of course, you get your cards and receipt and so forth. And then I actually have 2 items inside the box. I was shopping for one and I ended up picking up the other just because, well, I'll tell you the story in a second. So, as you could probably tell, this is going to be a lipstick. I never tried a lipstick from Hermes before, but I was shopping for shoes and I looked at the shoes. I put them in my cart, and then at the bottom of the page it said, "You might also like," and there was a picture of this lipstick, and I thought, yes, I do like. So I checked it out and I thought the color was beautiful, so I decided to go ahead and get it because I have no Hermes lipstick and I am a bit of a lipstick junkie. I buy lots and lots of different kinds of lipstick, but I never had Hermes before. So the box says Hermes Rouge à Lèvres, and this is a satin lipstick, which was perfect for me. And then inside you have your little orange box. I think the orange box is so adorable, and it's a little slider, so you just push it out and then you've got your lipstick inside, and it has a little dust bag of its very own, which is absolutely ridiculously cute. So it comes in this little dust bag, and then you pull it out of the dust bag and there is the lipstick itself, and the packaging is absolutely beautiful. So there's like matte gold on the bottom here, and then even on the top it almost looks like gold foil with the little Hermes emblem on there. And when you open it up, it feels very substantial in your hands too, and there's a magnet and you can hear it click. I think you can. So it just has that luxurious feel about it. And the lipstick itself is in this color called Rose Ensemble. I love a beigey, not a beigey, but like a brownie rose kind of tone lipstick. On camera, I often wear really bold lipstick, mostly because the lights are really bright here and they kind of wash me out. But in real life, I wear mostly like pink, beige, neutrally kinds of tones. So I felt like this one was perfect. Plus it reminded me of a long ago favorite from Lancome that I loved. And then of course they discontinued it and I was never able to find another thing like it. But I really do like this lipstick. It is very creamy. This is the satin. I'm gonna put it on here. And it goes on so smoothly, and I do love a satin lipstick because I feel like it's the perfect balance between a matte, which can, for an older woman like me, definitely age you a little bit. I'm having a hard time here, sorry. It's very hard to chalk and put lipstick on. But anyway, so I'm not a big fan of matte because, again, I feel like they can be very aging. And sometimes glossy lipsticks are really too glossy, so a satin is the perfect combination. And I just really liked it. And it doesn't have a flavor, which I love. It goes on real smooth. And they are also refillable, so you can actually buy the refills for these online, I believe, as well as the store. So I'm really excited about this and have definitely been getting my use out of that. So let's put it back in its cute little dust bag and its little orange box. How bougie is this? I mean, don't you love packaging? I sure do. I don't know if I need to put it in there, but we will. All right, so the item that I was originally shopping for is shoes, and that's no surprise to anybody who knows me. And these are sandals. So if you know anything about Hermes, you probably know that their Oran sandals are super famous and everybody wears them. Last year, well, the year before actually, I wanted some Orans and I couldn't get them in my size in the color that I wanted. So last year, about this time, February or March, I started to look at them. And sure enough, they were in stock because of course it was before the actual season started. So again, last summer I saw this pair of sandals and I fell in love with them, and naturally they were sold out in my size. I think they were sold out completely. So once again, I figured early spring, February would be the perfect time to shop for these, and I lucked out because they had them in my size, in the color that I wanted, and in fact they have the best selection right now. So if anybody is looking for Hermes sandals and has been wanting them but can't find them in your size, now is the time to shop because they really do have excellent stock. So these are called the Égérie sandals, and they are the cheapest sandals on the Hermes website, probably in the store altogether, because they're actually like a jelly or a rubber sandal. But I love those kind of sandals because they are so versatile and so easy care. So let's take a look at the packaging. Once again, you get the beautiful box with the beautiful brown ribbon. And even though they are really essentially pool sandals, you still get the beautiful wrapping. So a couple weeks ago, I unwrapped my Manolo Blahniks and I was raving because they were in their individual little dust bags, and Hermes does the same thing too. So there they are in their little dust bags. I'm gonna pull them out. Beautiful dust bags with a little drawstring on them. And then here are the sandals, and they have this little stuffing, and the stuffing is so nice. It's almost like soft. It's beautiful. And this is the sandal. It is called, again, the Égérie sandal. And it is basically like a jelly sandal or a rubber sandal. So really functional for the pool, for the sand and the beach. You're not going to have to worry about them getting beat up or getting damaged from salt or sand or anything like that. And they do have some nice little details. So most of it is matte except for this section right here. So there's kind of like a chain detail. And the chain in the middle is a little bit shinier, and then the chain on the side is that matte finish as well. And it does give you about ½ an inch of a sole, which is rather nice. It's not completely 100% flat, but it's very soft and bendy, has a nice little grip on the bottom. And I just thought they were going to be perfect for the summer because I love to just hack around in thong sandals anyway. And I just thought that these would be perfect because they are such an elegant shoe and they'll go with absolutely everything. Now these shoes do come in a couple different colors. They actually have a beautiful royal blue. It's a very bright blue, but I have a pair of royal blue sandals already. And then they also have a sort of aqua color that is very similar to Tiffany blue. And those were beautiful as well. I was tempted, but at the same time, I didn't know if I would get enough use out of them because of the very specific color. So then I saw them in black and I thought black would be perfect. So I picked them up in black. In my opinion, black sandals go with absolutely everything. Slip them on, run to the store, run to the mailbox, run anywhere in these things. They're very lightweight too, and they feel really well made. Like if you know, sometimes you get like a rubber sandal, a flip-flop from a cheap store or something, and they have a peculiar smell and they just feel funny against your skin, but these don't have a smell at all. And they feel very nice against your skin. I was wearing them in the house a little bit and very comfortable. Also, I like the fact that the strap in the sides comes way back here by the heels, so there's no danger of walking out of these. I did a whole video about Miller sandals from Tory Burch, and the problem with those is that the strap stops up here a little bit, and consequently I tend to walk right out of them. I just find them to be very uncomfortable and they don't really fit my foot very well. That's just something particular to me. So I always have to be on the lookout with thong sandals to make sure that the strap is back far enough and these fit the bill. Now I did not try these on in store. As I mentioned, I'm far away from the store, so any of my Hermes shopping I would have to do online. But they also have a good return policy too. So if it turned out that the size was wrong or that you know, I just didn't like them, I could easily send them back as well. But I thought I would share these with you because I loved the wrapping. I just felt like, you know, the whole presentation was really beautiful, and the sandals themselves are amazing, and I did want to let you know that they are currently in stock. At least when I looked last time, they were in every size, in every color, and I thought now is the perfect time to let you guys know that if you're doing your shopping, or you think about doing shopping for spring, then definitely check out those sandals that you had your eye on, because they are really well stocked right now, and they do sell out quickly, and by the time the warm weather hits, they are often sold out of everything. One more thing before I go, I do want to mention my top as well. This is another can't wait for spring kind of purchase. This one is from H&M. It's a beautiful linen top, and it may or may not be in stock anymore, but I couldn't resist. Isn't it gorgeous? Like, this material, I absolutely love it. It has all these beautiful flowers on it. It has these really, really big oversized sleeves. When I saw it, I was like, oh my God, they sent me the wrong size. But that's part of the style detail. I just rolled them up, and now I feel like I have kind of like bell sleeves. So check this out as well. I will try to link it if it is still available. And if it's not, I'm sorry. But I just thought I would mention it because it's so cute. So that's it for my video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you had and have any comments or questions, do leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.